Hey everyone, Marcus here. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, creating tutorials to help streamers grow their channels and reach partnership goals faster. Today is June 11th, 2026, and in this video, we're going to review SocialWick and answer one important question. Is SocialWick safe for buying Twitch followers in 2026? We'll take a look at how the service works, its features, pricing, delivery speed, and whether it's worth using. I'll also share one of the best alternatives currently available. SocialWick is a social media growth platform that offers services for Twitch, Kick, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and many other platforms. They provide Twitch follower packages designed to help streamers increase their follower count and improve their channel's visibility. The platform is fairly easy to use. You simply select a package, enter your Twitch username, complete the payment, and wait for the followers to be delivered. However, after testing different providers and reading user feedback, I found that Followers Panda is one of the best alternatives available in 2026. Followers Panda has been around since 2019 and has built a strong reputation among Twitch and Kick streamers. The platform focuses specifically on helping creators grow their channels through follower and engagement services. So let me show you exactly how to buy Twitch followers from Followers Panda step by step. First, open Google and search for Followers Panda. Click on the official Followers Panda website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Buy Twitch Followers service. You'll now see several different follower packages available. Choose the package that best matches your goals and budget. For this tutorial, I'm going to select one of the smaller packages. After selecting your package, click on the Buy Now button. Next, copy your Twitch username and paste it into the required field. Enter your email address and continue to the checkout page. If account verification is required, check your email inbox for the verification code and enter it on the website. After that, choose your preferred payment method. Depending on your location, you may see options such as credit card, PayPal, cryptocurrency, or wallet balance. Complete the payment and submit your order. Once your order is successfully placed, you'll be taken to the order confirmation page where you can track the progress of your purchase. Followers Panda usually starts processing orders very quickly, so it won't take long before you start seeing results. Simply refresh your Twitch profile after a few minutes and monitor your follower count as the delivery begins. And that's it. That's how easy it is to order Twitch followers from Followers Panda in 2026. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.